Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ferrari Roma versus the Turbo S. We'll dive into their performance, design, and overall driving experience. The Ferrari Roma boasts a powerful 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, while the Porsche 911 Turbo S counters with a 3.7-liter twin-turbo flat-six. Both vehicles are engineering marvels, offering thrilling acceleration and impressive top speeds that truly define the supercar segment. Let's explore what makes each one unique. When we look at the raw numbers, the Ferrari Roma delivers 612 horsepower and 561 pound-feet of torque. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, however, edges it out with 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This power difference translates to a quicker 0 to 60 mph time for the Turbo S, achieving it in just 2.6 seconds. While both are incredibly fast, the Turbo S often holds a slight advantage in straight-line acceleration tests. Beyond the numbers, their design philosophies diverge significantly. The Ferrari Roma embodies a sleek, elegant grand tourer, perfect for stylish cruising. In contrast, the Porsche 911 Turbo S retains its iconic, aggressive sports car stance, signaling its track-ready capabilities. The Roma often provides a more luxurious and comfortable ride, making it a superb choice for longer journeys, while the Turbo S focuses on precision and raw driving engagement. Inside, the Roma offers a sophisticated, driver-focused cockpit with exquisite Italian craftsmanship and premium materials. The Turbo S provides a high-tech, functional interior, packed with advanced infotainment and driver assist features. Both cars offer incredible value for their respective segments, appealing to different tastes. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize elegant grand touring or raw, track-focused performance. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those amazing meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.